2009, Oklahoma. The Jamison family, Bobby, Sherilynn, and 6-year-old Madyson, left home one morning. They carried $32,000 cash, phones, camera, and their dog, Maisie. Days later, their truck was found abandoned deep in the woods, doors wide open, dogs still alive inside. Every dollar, every phone, everything left behind. But the family vanished. Camera photos showed Madyson alone in the dark woods, terrified, something shadowy behind her. Police searched for months, no footprints, no blood, no answers. Cult, murder, or something darker? 15 years later, the Jamison disappearance remains unsolved. Dead Archives, more mysteries coming. Subscribe now and hit the bell.